Every Audi A8L begins as premium aerospace-grade metals and engineered materials. Each batch is digitally tracked before production officially starts. Precision scanners verify every sheet before it enters production. Only flawless materials continue toward manufacturing. Smart warehouses manage thousands of precision-engineered metal coils. Automation ensures the correct material reaches every production stage. Production software selects the exact material required. Every coil is matched to its future body component. Leveling rollers remove internal stress from the metal. Perfectly flat sheets are essential for precision stamping. Computer-controlled blanking creates perfectly sized body panels. Every cut is accurate to fractions of a millimeter. Laser inspection confirms perfect dimensions. Only approved blanks continue toward stamping. A precision lubricant reduces friction during forming. This protects the aluminum from microscopic damage. Industrial robots position every blank with absolute precision. The first body forming operation is ready to begin. Thousands of tons of force transform flat metal into complex body shapes. This is where the Audi A8L body truly begins. Precision trimming creates exact body panel dimensions. Every edge is prepared for the next forming stage. Additional forming adds structural strength to every panel. Complex curves define the Audi A8L's signature design. Laser systems compare every contour to Audi's digital blueprint. Even tiny deviations are immediately detected. Robotic systems organize each completed body component. Every panel is now ready for body construction. The precision-formed panels are now ready to become the Audi A8L body. Next, advanced robots will build the iconic Audi space frame. The aluminum floor becomes the foundation of the Audi A8L. Laser-guided fixtures guarantee exceptional assembly precision. Robots align each side frame with millimeter accuracy. Perfect geometry begins with a perfectly aligned structure.
The upper body frame is formed using lightweight aluminum rails. This design increases rigidity while reducing overall weight.
Advanced structural adhesive strengthens every aluminum joint. It also improves crash performance and reduces vibration.
Self-piercing rivets permanently secure the aluminum structure. This method delivers exceptional strength without damaging the panels.
Laser welding creates ultra-strong, clean structural connections. Every weld is monitored in real time for perfect quality. Crossmembers strengthen the luxury sedan's lightweight chassis. These components improve both handling and passenger safety. The front bulkhead defines the future engine compartment. Its precise position ensures perfect drivetrain alignment. The rear structure completes the Audi A8L body framework. Every section contributes to strength and crash protection. The roof panel transforms the frame into a complete body shell. Precision assembly ensures exceptional structural integrity. Additional reinforcements improve long-term durability. Every door opening must remain perfectly aligned. Robotic metrology verifies every dimension with micron-level precision. Digital measurements eliminate assembly errors before production continues. Artificial intelligence checks thousands of structural details instantly. Only flawless body shells move to the next stage. Final calibration guarantees perfect body accuracy. Every Audi A8L leaves this station built to exact specifications. The iconic Audi space frame is now complete. Next, the body enters one of the world's most advanced automotive paint facilities. Every body shell is meticulously cleaned before painting begins. A perfectly clean surface is essential for a flawless finish. Electrocoating protects every surface from corrosion. Even hidden cavities receive complete coverage. Controlled heat permanently bonds the protective coating. The body is now ready for precision surface finishing. Even microscopic imperfections are carefully removed. Luxury finishes begin with an exceptionally smooth surface. Electrostatic technology delivers uniform primer coverage. The primer prepares the body for its premium exterior finish. Multiple precision coats create Audi's signature luxury finish. Metallic pigments enhance both depth and brilliance. A durable clear coat protects the luxury finish. Its deep gloss defines the Audi A8L's elegant appearance. Carefully controlled heat completes the paint curing process.
The finish gains its final durability and shine.
Every reflection reveals the quality of the paint finish. Only perfect bodies continue to final assembly. The heart of the Audi A8L is assembled with micron-level precision. Every moving component is torque-controlled for reliability. The 8-speed transmission is built for seamless luxury performance. Electronic testing ensures every shift will be perfectly smooth. The engine and transmission become one integrated powertrain. Precision alignment guarantees smooth performance. Hand-finished leather seats define the Audi A8L experience. Every connector and mounting point is carefully verified. The body and powertrain finally become one complete vehicle. This critical marriage station defines the Audi A8L's final structure. Audi's adaptive air suspension delivers exceptional ride comfort. Every fastener is tightened with digitally monitored precision. The advanced braking system is assembled for confident stopping power. Every hydraulic connection is tested before the vehicle moves.
Precision-balanced wheels complete the chassis assemble. Every wheel bolt is electronically verified for safety.
Precision-installed glass enhances both safety and cabin refinement. Every seal is checked to ensure a silent luxury interior. Perfect panel alignment reflects Audi's commitment to craftsmanship. Every gap is measured to luxury class tolerances. Hundreds of electronic functions are programmed and synchronized. Software transforms hardware into a luxury driving experience.
Every luxury feature is tested before leaving the factory. Advanced diagnostics confirm flawless system performance.
Every seal is tested under extreme weather conditions. A luxury sedan must remain perfectly quiet and dry.
Every powertrain is tested before reaching public roads. Performance and efficiency are verified under controlled conditions. Every detail is inspected to meet Audi's premium standards. Only flawless vehicles move to the final driving test.
Real-world testing confirms the Audi A8L performs exactly as engineered. Every kilometer validates luxury, comfort, and precision.
The completed Audi A8L earns its final quality certification. It is now ready for delivery to customers worldwide.
Each Audi A8L is carefully protected for its global journey. Luxury engineering is now ready to reach its new owner.
From raw aluminum to Germany's flagship luxury sedan, every detail reflects engineering excellence. Thanks for